After the temple visits, we decided to discover the city. It will be my style, and coincidentally, I will walk again. And it will take time because after 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. we will be in a street bazaar, the famous one. We looked. There are two street bazaar. One of them is close to the train station. The other one a little bit far, but not too much. Maybe 1 kilometers or maybe 500 meters close to each other. They are very close. We have a plan, but firstly we will go to not the street bazaar where is the closest the train station, the other one. Then maybe tomorrow we will visit the street bazaar where is close the train station. I don't know what will happen, but now we will follow the road. It is not a touristic city as I described. Maybe, I am just visiting. When I say something about the city, it is my impression. Of course, I don't know it is what it is really, because I am just visiting it, and so I can have an idea. But I should say that I haven't seen any tourist yet. Maybe, as I mentioned before, the season is not right, but I can feel real Thailand, and I like this feeling, really. I can feel the traditional life very closely when compared to other cities. And the city not cosmopolitan, my opinion. We just continue to explore the city and all walking on the street. The rain will come, maybe. Discovered the parking for bicycles. No, they are not bicycles. I think they are tuk-tuks. very cloudy, the rain will come. We towards the street market, but it's a little bit far. This is a main street. We will be over there maybe 5 minutes later. I think we can have a chance to record video without rain. It is impossible to escape it. Everywhere is raining and there is no solution. But you should see the view and scenery. It is really good. Really have it, really have it. We soak again somewhere and we are covering ourselves from the rain. We can soak, but the devices, it will be a trouble for us. So we have to wait a little bit. But really, maybe some people think that this regular street there is no meaning to visit, but it can be a regular street, yes, but I'm a foreigner and it looks like to me not a regular street and very unusual. And when I looked at this written things, I can't read any of them and I can't understand what they are and what is the written thing on it. So this feeling is, you know, very motivated to explore and discover the city. Yes, you can have some estimates, but they are just estimates and you know nothing. You know nothing. And this, I'm trying to explain something this feeling, you know. But maybe if you can have a chance to visit other countries, you will understand what I mean. As I mentioned before, the night bazaar is very close to the train station, and in the beginning of our journey in this city, we were in here, at here. We arrived here, then continued to our hotels to stay. But we didn't aware of the street bazaar close to us in the beginning, because then we explore and you see this street you should follow. Maybe it is earlier, not established set yet, but it will be ready after 5 p.m. I heard. It is earlier, but as you see, there is a train station over there in the junction, close to the junction, and you can eat something over here. And it is early, but they looks like they started to set their establish. Please remind me the right word. Sometimes I can mix them. Which one is the right word? Set up, establish, set. Set up, not set, I guess. So they are trying to be ready for today, and so almost their stands, kiosks ready. But we will discover the earlier time. Maybe we will come back again at night. I guess I accustomed to see this kind of sceneries because very lively, and you can feel the life in Asia countries, and one of them, of course, Thailand. And, so when I get into this kind of market, I don't know, it is really beautiful experiences. Maybe it reminds me of the past, and their tradition is really. I want to find the right word. This tradition I mean that to have a street market, really, you never give up. They should never give up it, because it is very. Valuable. It is very important, and because this tradition will be always to feel the lively daily life. Hours later, we decided to come back our hotel, but the rain is. It is not raining now, so we have a chance to walk a lot. But we have to eat something. I found somewhere, and maybe I will eat something. Let's get in. That's the end day of Phitsanulok, and we are leaving from here, and it was really unusual experience for us because we observed the locals life of Thai people at here, and we will continue Lampang. Really, this experience we never forget because first time we very far from the touristic places and touristic places which are popular in Thailand, and this is not one of them, and it is not the season, so we were really alone as a foreigner. When we're waiting, I choose not to spend my time, and I explore this part. I think it is this pieces of photograph indicates the past, and let's watch them.